Rigadoon is a two-player nautically-themed abstract board game. As the admiral of the 4 ships in your fleet, you must be the first to claim 2 treasure chests to win the game. There are 2 characteristics of this game which make it exceptionally fun. 1. When you attack a ship, you may very well set off an explosive but strategically useful chain reaction. And 2. Often the ship you need to attack is your own. Mastering these chain reactions is the key to winning this game. When you sail a ship orthogonally adjacent to another ship, you must attack. When a ship is attacked, it is blasted 2 spaces away, causing it to lose a mast. If that ship lands orthogonal to another ship, it must also attack. Such chain reactions do not end if even a single ship remains adjacent to any other ship on the board. To win the game, you must bump 2 treasure chests out of the shallows, sink them in deeper water, place them on islands, then claim them before your opponent does. And that, in the wiggle of a mermaid's flipper, is a Rigadoon.